What's going on, Baby Doge Army? We got some good and some bad news today. So we're going to talk about this. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. But let's just get straight to it. So let's talk about Baby Doge here. Now, this is the current prices here for Baby Doge. We're at 8Z1055. That's 8 zeros after the decimal place, and then 1055. So 8Z1055. That's where we're at right now. Now, it's pretty interesting because we drew this up during the last Baby Doge price prediction, right? It was that we're doing a little short-term price prediction, talking about how we're probably about to have a pullback for the next Baby Doge coin short-term pullback, right? We're probably going to have another one. That's what we were talking about. Now, the reason why I was saying like this is so important, if you actually look at where we're at now with Baby Doge, it's kind of interesting actually, because I mentioned that we were pulling back earlier, right? I mentioned that we're about to go down below the support here for the Fibonacci, and we did. We went all the way there from 8Z102 all the way down here to about 8Z962. So we went down exactly where we wanted to. But the scary part now is the next area I'm predicting is down here, 8Z, around 8Z or 9Z8 or 9Z7, somewhere around there. But what I will say is this: if you look at the previous all-time high here for Baby Doge, that was all the way up here at the Fibonacci of 8Z1160, right? Not all-time high, but you already know what I'm talking about. The previous high, the swing high. And then we see the next swing high after this swing low of 9Z960. After that swing low, our next swing high here is set at 9Z, let's just say 9Z, because we didn't exactly get to 9Z11. We got all the way up here to about, or I mean 8Z11, we got all the way up here to 8Z1080, right? We got all the way up to 8Z1080 as our last swing high. Now, where is our new swing high going to be? Is our new swing high just going to stop where we're at now at about 8Z1050? Or is it going to pass the previous one and go above the Fibonacci, possibly up to 8Z1160? Now, that is a possibility there. But the reason why I say it's a possibility is because, as you can see, we are making our way back up there. You can see even the RSI is kind of like, it looks like we are about to have another breakthrough past our previous high, just by the way the numbers are moving. If you look at Bitcoin, actually, Bitcoin is doing crazy numbers too, 29.4K Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's going crazy. You can see 29.5K now, up 3.2% in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin, up 10.4% in the last 7 days. So Bitcoin is doing extremely well. Everything else is doing extremely well. Baby Doge is doing decent as well, up 2.3%. That's why I was saying here, this is the good news that we actually might be able to, get above our previous high, right? Our previous swing high. We might be able to get above that and get above that Fibonacci retracement. But then the bad news is, even if we do get above that, I still predict that we might have another pullback. And the reason why I do believe we will get above it, look at the momentum wave band here. Look at how it's now curving upwards. It's curving upwards because now we're going on that uptrend. You can even see the bottom half is starting to curve a little bit upwards as well. So this could be an indication of an uptrend that is now soon to come. So we might see that uptrend here in Baby Doge, but it doesn't dispute the fact that I still believe it's going to go down here. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I think even if we do go above this resistance here, I still believe we're going to end up pulling back. So even if it does something like this, I still believe it's going to make its way back down. I believe that the jump we just now had in Bitcoin is actually a bull trap. And I'm gonna make a whole video on this. I'm gonna explain why I believe this is a bull trap. So don't worry. And also, if you're wondering, you can also watch my other previous video that I made on Baby Doge. And I was talking about the Baby Doge short-term price prediction. But watch the one I did on Bitcoin, because the video I made on Bitcoin is actually very, very, very important. And I'll go ahead and show you this video that I made here on Bitcoin. So you won't be able to see all of it. Here it is on here. Yeah, just go ahead and look this up. It'll definitely be good. So yeah, look this video up. Attention Bitcoin holders, don't let this fool you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to it inside of the comments and inside of the description. So I'm gonna link it there, and I'm also gonna put it on the card. So if you look above you at the top right of the screen, you'll see that more from Marsellis, the I symbol, and then just click it, and then it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna bring you to, yeah, it's gonna bring you to that video. But yeah, watch that video. I'm gonna make a whole nother video talking about Bitcoin, because I don't believe that I don't believe we're going to continue and just keep this up. I don't believe that we can actually keep this up. Now, what I do believe here is Bitcoin is probably going to keep running, right? I do believe Bitcoin's going to keep running. I never said that. I believe it's going to keep running, possibly up to 31K and possibly past 31K. If it's past 31K, it has an even bigger chance to keep running from there. But yeah, I still think it's a bull trap. So we're just going to keep watching this, and I'll make a whole video explaining why I believe this. But yeah, prepare for Bitcoin to probably keep running from here. But this isn't about Bitcoin, it's about Baby Doge. And like I was mentioning here, you also want to prepare for Baby Doge to maybe run a little bit more too, because you can see with the momentum wave band, it's curving upward, showing that we're about to have some upward momentum. So maybe prepare for Baby Doge to run up to like 8Z 1160, 8Z 1150. But yeah, I still believe eventually it's gonna make its way back down. So yeah, it's gotta start somewhere. Well, anyways, moving on from this, our volume looking a little decent, 1.5 million in trading volume for Baby Doge. Holders doing good there. 2 weeks ago, we had 1,772,659 holders. Now we have 1,773,902 holders. So we have a little over 1,000 holders in the last 2 weeks. That's pretty good. As for Baby Doge AI, they've been talking about Baby Doge AI a lot recently. Like, it's actually all they talk about is Baby Doge AI. But they are trying to push it out there. So shout out to the Baby Doge team for doing that. You can see they're about to end the contest here. It's coming to an end. Only 1 week left. But yeah, they've been pushing Baby Doge AI heavily, like very heavy. We also have a new sponsor for our farms. I don't really care for it because I don't really know what it is. It's called Dogs Rock 49. That's what the new one is. Yeah, and Baby Doge Swap, still struggling to get by. But yeah, and this is the new farm that they just now put in here. Like I said, we need more of those core farms, or else Baby Doge Swap will continue to struggle. There's a reason why I don't really cover Baby Doge Swap Baby Doge Swap that much a lot anymore, because of that they don't have the core farms anymore, so I don't really care about it anymore. So yeah, but yeah, the Baby Doge AI, they've been promoting that heavily. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think Baby Doge is primed to go down, or do you think it's going to go up from here? I think we're going to have a little bit of an increase for now, and then we're going to go back down. Same thing with Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin's going to have another run up, possibly to 30, 31K. It's probably going to drop from there. That's just what I think personally. I could be wrong. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. And hit the like button and subscribe if you want these automated trading indicators. Definitely check out the Chart Prime link in the description. You'll find that in the description. If you want to join our Crypto Millionaires trading group for Patreon, go ahead and check that out. Link in the description for that as well. And also, if you want some Crypto Millionaires gear, cryptomillionaires.shop, link in the description for that as well. And as always, I'll be back with another video.